If you have access to a clean source of grass-fed raw milk, you may be wondering how to make yogurt with the raw milk without heating it. I mean, after all, raw milk has so many probiotics and enzymes, and if you heat and make yogurt the traditional way by bringing it up to a certain temperature and then letting it cool down before adding the culture, you are basically destroying a lot of the benefits of raw milk. So let me show you how I make raw milk. It is so simple. I can't believe more people don't do this. I use a 𝗍𝗷 slow cooker. You can also do this in a crock pot. And if you link over to the article that is associated with this video, I have a crock pot version as well. But for me, the slow cooker I prefer is a clay pot, tested to be toxin and lead-free 𝗍𝗷 cooker. I love it. I use it for so many things, including broth, but it also makes raw yogurt, which a lot of people don't realize. So what you do is you just take a quart of raw grass-fed milk and pour it into your 𝗍𝗷 like that, and then put in 5 tablespoons of your last batch of raw yogurt. And if you are making the batch for the first time, all you have to do is use whole milk yogurt from the store. No additives. Make sure it's from non-homogenized milk. Pasteurized is okay for your first batch, but what you want to do is make sure that it's just plain whole milk yogurt. Put your 5 tablespoons in there, stir it up, and then put on the lid, and I turn it to the yogurt setting, and I leave it for 24 hours. And 24 hours is the maximum time and the optimal time that you want to make your yogurt. And when it's done, this is what it looks like. Nice and thick, just like pasteurized yogurt. Wonderful and delicious.